What if your home could recognize you, comfort you, and even move with you? In a world of smart design and futuristic living, innovation is transforming the way we live, relax, and travel. These aren't just products, they're experiences built to bring luxury, efficiency, and style into everyday life. Let's explore the next generation of home and lifestyle tech that's already redefining comfort. Philips 5000 series. The Philips 5000 series smart deadbolt is changing the way we think about home security by letting your hand be the key. Using cutting-edge palm recognition, this deadbolt scans the unique vein patterns in your hand to unlock the door, eliminating the need for keys or passcodes. It features a built-in proximity sensor that detects when your hand is near and unlocks the door automatically. You also get traditional options like a PIN, key, or app-based entry, along with full integration with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. At $359.99, it's a perfect blend of high-tech convenience and strong security. Whether you're coming home from work or letting guests in remotely, the Philips 5000 series makes entering your home seamless, secure, and smarter than ever. Zimo Free Foot. The Zimo Free Foot is a wearable foot massager that turns any place, your living room, office, or even your flight seat, into a personal spa. With 43 massage balls, 36 just for your soles, and warm compression, it delivers deep relief with the touch of a button. Airbags gently compress your feet to enhance blood flow, while a heat mode melts away stress and fatigue. It features 4 massage modes and adjustable intensity levels so you can tailor each session to your liking. Ideal for anyone who spends hours on their feet, this device is a game changer for relaxation and recovery. Whether you're winding down after a long day or recharging during a Netflix binge, the Zimo Free Foot makes wellness wonderfully effortless. Dion 10. The Dion 10 is the ultimate hidden workstation for people who love a clean, clutter-free space. At first glance, it looks like a sleek minimalist cabinet, but open it up and it transforms into a full productivity powerhouse. Inside, you'll find 3 hidden monitors, built-in LED lighting, invisible cable management, and even a mini fridge. It's perfect for gamers, remote workers, or anyone who wants high-performance functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. Whether you're in a studio apartment or a tech-savvy office, the Dion 10 hides the mess and reveals the magic. It's a workstation designed to impress, both in form and in function. CMC a Luna. The CMC a Luna is a luxury motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in comfort. Italian design meets modern engineering in this beautifully crafted mobile home, featuring a stylish lounge, full kitchen, private bedroom, and elegant bathroom, all within a rolling sanctuary. It's packed with premium features like air conditioning, high-end audio systems, LED lighting, and a dedicated garage for your outdoor gear. Every detail has been considered, from the materials used to the smooth layout that makes life on the road feel like a 5-star stay. Whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or touring through Europe, the Aluna offers an unmatched level of sophistication for mobile living. It's not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. The JB Holz Golden Sky is a panoramic mobile home designed to make every sunrise and sunset feel cinematic. This 57 square meter luxury home features 2 bedrooms, a spacious living area, and a fully equipped kitchen, all designed with elegance and functionality in mind. Its 2 stunning terraces, one at ground level and one on the rooftop, offer perfect spots for morning coffee or nighttime stargazing. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, while underfloor heating ensures year-round comfort. Built with top-quality materials like wood, aluminum, and glass, the Golden Sky is all about blending mobility with luxury. It's your dream home on wheels with a view. Helios Horse Box. The Helios Horse Box by KPH is a premium transport solution designed with both horses and humans in mind. Its signature curved roof blends into the Helios Living Pod, offering ample headroom for horses and luxurious space for grooms and trainers. Inside, it features stainless steel ramps and dividers, a built-in groom's bed, toilet, shower area, and solar-powered energy systems. It's not just functional, it's comfortable, stylish, and durable with a polyurea protective coating. Whether you're transporting competition horses or going on a long cross-country ride, the Helios ensures safety, space, and elegance on the move. Tata House. The Tata House is a sustainable 3D printed eco-dwelling designed to reduce environmental impact while offering a modern, beautiful living experience. Built with natural, locally sourced clay and printed using cutting-edge 3D tech, it's a futuristic home that blends seamlessly into nature. Its dome-like structure is not just eye-catching. It's energy-efficient, breathable, and durable. Large windows and skylights invite natural light in, while the curved architecture helps with thermal regulation, reducing the need for external heating or cooling. As housing crises and climate concerns grow, the Tata House is more than an innovation. It's a glimpse into how we might live smarter and more sustainably in the years to come. Continental Coney Home. The Continental Coney Home is a compact, smart mobile home built for modern explorers who want sustainability without sacrificing comfort. Designed with energy efficiency and mobility in mind, it features convertible sleeping spaces, a small kitchenette, and a sleek bathroom setup. Everything inside is arranged with minimalist efficiency, ideal for long journeys or off-grid living. Eco-friendly materials and smart tire technology from Continental ensure smooth, safe rides while reducing your carbon footprint. With a starting price around $60,000, the Coney Home is a travel companion that's both practical and planet-friendly. It's for people who want to roam freely without leaving a trace. C310 Houseboat. The C310 Houseboat brings floating luxury to life with an eco-conscious twist. This compact yet comfortable floating pod accommodates 2 to 6 people, making it perfect for couples, families, or small groups looking for a nature-infused retreat. Inside, you'll find a double bedroom, optional bunk beds, a sofa bed, a small kitchen, and a modern bathroom. The highlight: a beautiful balcony that opens up to calm waters, turning every sunrise into a serene experience. Designed with minimal infrastructure in mind, the C310 minimizes its impact on nature while maximizing your sense of peace. It's available for rent or purchase, ideal for dreamers who want to drift away in style. From self-opening doors to mobile homes with rooftop terraces, the way we live is evolving fast and in style. These innovations don't just add convenience, they redefine comfort, sustainability, and the meaning of home. Whether you're unwinding with a wearable spa or traveling the world with your entire home in tow, the future of lifestyle tech is already here. If you could bring just one of these into your life, which one would it be? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay inspired.